Alright everyone, look what I got in the house. Old school ORBAN Soundworks amplifier, model number DSW 2300, 2-channel 300 watt audio amplifier. Man, this brings a lot of memories. So let's take a closer look at this amplifier. Has a little wear and tear on it, as expected. Not too bad on this face here. You got your inputs, crossover, your gain, and your LED power light. Nothing that I can see that is messed up on this side. Oh, I do see this panel here underneath has a little bit of a bow, a bit of a curve. So might have to repair that. Other than that, bottom is not looking too bad. And this side here, have a screw missing here on the battery side. I just noticed 2 aftermarket screws that don't belong there, probably wood screws. So hopefully the threads aren't too bad on that, or I'll have to tap that out. And I do notice that these terminals are out of whack. Let me see. Yeah, these 2 are sticking out. This one's not. So a little damage on this side, but not too bad. The lettering is pretty good. Never cared for these, but they were there. They were just cheap. They had decent sound, and this is definitely an entry-level amplifier back in the day. Alright, let's look at the inside. Working on number 1. I have a few more amplifiers coming in. Old school, of course. Put that off to the side. Man, this thing is clean as a whistle. A couple of spider webs. Here's a little bend over here. Other than that, not that bad. So, doesn't look like any capacitors blew up or any of that crap. You know, I've had these amplifiers back in the day. I never took the back panel off. It's the first time you see it in here. One of these. Look how they just lay on the, they put the wire right on the terminal and then they solder it. Interesting. I would put more solder than that. Spider webs in here. A little dusty in there. Nothing's jumping at me. I can see. If you guys see anything, let me know. Hey, shout out to the QC inspection sticker. Always nice seeing one of those. You don't see that too often. And nice capacitors. It's Daewoo. Yeah, these resistors are very familiar. See those in a lot of amplifiers. And good. And there was another inspection sticker here from the looks of it. And somebody ripped it out. So somebody did come in here already. Made in USA, Rev A. So original revision. That's awesome. Okay, so what are we going to do first? Yes, you guessed it. Let's see if we have any power going to the caps. Okay, put on diode. Set that over there. And let's see, what do we have here? That's the positive and that's the negative. Okay, so let's see what we have here, here. It's a little low. It might be a problem, but at least we're getting something. Never seen that before. Okay. So what's next? Hey, shout out to the human hair in here. Jesus Christ. Right there. Top of that. Is this yours? If it's yours, I'll set this off to the side. Comment down below and I'll mail it out to you. Okay, now it's opened. I'll go back over here. Nothing. That might be a problem. Yep. That's strange. I'm getting no reading on those outer legs and the middle. Wow. Yeah, there's a problem. So what we're going to do is unscrew these little clamps. I think I'm missing one, but we'll find it. I just heard it. Yeah, anyways. Okay, so now we're going to take off. Let's see which one we're going to take off. This one. Either this one or this one. Let me see. Well, yeah, we'll take off this plate. We can leave that plate in, but we have to take these screws out of here. Oh, there's that nut. You know what, at this stage, I'm going to take the whole thing out. That way everything gets cleaned nice. Never want the next person have a dirty amplifier. And that is a fact. Okay. That and that. That should come right out. Not bad. Let's put that to the side. I don't want that getting anywhere. And now, where the action is. That's odd. Only one screw here. Oh, see, this was already taken apart. Let's see. Yep, because I got a screw missing on this side for that power section. Maybe someone was trying to repair the damn thing. I don't know. Now, I could have swore I remember these amplifiers having a fuse in them. This one doesn't have it. I'm gonna have to research that. Alright, she's ready to come out. Man, this amplifier definitely needs some love. Okay. Let's see if we can take this out of here. Okay, she's tied down due to the thermal. Damn, those things. Wow, they're solid on there. If you don't want to move those too much, or you can break the legs. That's happened before. Okay. She's ready to come out. That's it, huh? This little thing. Ooh, oh boy. There we go. There's a problem. See that trace? Sticking up. See that? That piece of film. Oops, yeah. Almost broke that. So, yep. That trace is gone. So, that's an issue. So maybe that's why we're not getting anything. Is that right there? That's a problem. For sure. Other than that, I don't see anything else. This trace is broke. First, I like to test it out. I gotta shut the air compressor. Got a slow leak on it. Go from here, let's see, right here to here. Nothing. Let me try this. Okay, here to here. Obviously nothing, right? Yeah, see? Okay, then from here to here. Which one was it? Which one was it? Got that one now. Comes here, underneath, and onto here. So nothing. Alright, so yeah, that's definitely a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a jumper from here to here. That's the plan. Flip this over. Let's see. Ah, perfect size. I like that. Okay, cool. Okay. Hopefully we can make this work. Should work. Should be an easy fix. Okay. Alright, so that's that. And now, take this. Need some more solder. Add it to the slug. Here. I gotta get a fume extractor. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make one. I have it in the shop, and yeah, it's gonna be nice. Okay, and let me see if I can get this thing to stay without moving. Okay. Make sure it's on there. Yep. Now, take that. Now remember, from here to here, we didn't have anything. Right? Should beep. So from here to, it was, which one? Come here, underneath, and this one. Yep. Alright, so that's fixed. Alright, a couple more things I'm going to do over here. The solder joints on this is looking horrible. I'm going to fix that. I don't like how it's looking, so fix this up real quick. Okay. Very dirty underneath here. I got a component here. That needs a little bit of solder. That one's not too bad. I'm gonna have to go with a eye loop and look at all these connections. Yep, another one here. Another problem. It's cracked solder. Hopefully I didn't lose it. Let me see. It was this one, right? Ooh, I just made a bridge here. Get rid of that before I get a phone call and I forget all about it. Okay, what do we have here? That's just a pinhole, okay, and I think this one connects with that top one, right? Yeah, let's see. Where am I? Right here. Okay. Still got a hole in that. Okay, that's that, and that is that. I don't know about this one. Yeah, I don't think it goes there. I don't think they connect. And then this, it was this one that needed solder. And I grabbed the wrong one. I did the wrong one, I should say. There we go. Right here. There we go. Very nice. Matter of fact, this one here needs some as well. Okay. Yep. And that's there. Those two there. That one's separate. And then those two go together. Alright. Alright, so I had that all soldered up, all fixed. Now the next thing is I'm going to double check everything here and underneath here, since it's nice and clean. Make sure there's no solder bridges. And then we're going to put some power to her and see what's going on. Alright, so I went through the whole board, double checked everything. I only touched up here and there, some parts underneath, a few points. Anyways, I figured I'm going to put some audio to her before I put her into the heatsink. So let's see if that works. I haven't done anything, so hopefully it works on camera here. So I have here a generator, frequency generator. I'm going to press play, and now I'm going to hit the foot switch. She should turn on, right? Nothing. Oh, I hear some static. Hear that? But there's nothing going through. Let me see something. Okay, so we have a problem still. I wonder if this ground needs to be grounded in order to work. So what I'll do is I'll just put it there. Nope. Nothing. Maybe the switch? Oh. I'm hearing static. Okay, so we have a component that's completely out, apparently. So, next thing I want to check, see if anything is overheating. Nothing there. Nothing's overheating. Okay. So did I do something wrong here? Maybe I thought there was, I didn't see any solder bridges. The only one I can think of is one over here, and I wasn't quite sure on it. I think it's this one. But it appears that it's supposed to be touching each other. Let's see what that goes to. A resistor. Let's see what resistor it is. It's one of these. It's this. It's got to be this one here. Okay. I'm gonna test her one more time. See if she powers on. And I gotta check with the oscilloscope probably. Maybe it's this diode down here. I don't know. Was it the RCA's? What's this switch here for anyway? There. Okay, that's that. Maybe I had it low. That's all the way low. That's high. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works. I thought this one was going to be easy. I guess not, right? Okay, here we go. I hear something, but nothing. It's going through. Very strange. Oh, I just... Hear that? I think the switch is messed up. Look at it. Look, I pressed it. Let's see. Look at this. It's not the switch from switching, but if I press in, oh, over here don't work. Here, nope, and Well, I definitely know the switch is gone. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to see if I have another one close enough to it. I do have a few donor boards there, but if I don't have it, I'll just see if I can clean it out. So let me do that right now. Alright, I just took her apart. So there's the case for it. There's the housing, pins, detent ball, spring, ABS hard plastic switch. Also, what makes the connections are these little slide copper pieces, and that needs to be cleaned. And also, this needs to be cleaned. I can see debris on that. Also, I bent the pins, but I'll fix that. So there's the problem. Oops. Right there along that, see all that dirt, all that nasty grime? I should be able to clean that and then it should be working. So let me go do that and then put her all back together. Alright, so she's ready to rock and roll once again. Refurbished and looking really good. So now I'm going to put her in here and hopefully all the pins line up without a problem. Very nice. See if I can run a bead on this. And almost. Didn't quite work. I need a better tip. Oh, I'm going to have to fix that other one. Oop. Bridge there. Well, maybe I can just push it along. There. Hey, shout out to my new alcohol dispenser. By the way, I use Dow Corning. It's a little more expensive, but it's pretty high grade stuff. Okay, let's see. This is gonna go here. So right between these fets. So right about there. Okay, that's where that's going to be. Learning as I go, guys. That's how it goes. This stuff. Every amp is different from another. Low, higher, got the frequency going. Yeah, she's doing very good. Yeah. Let me check that was sub. I'm gonna switch over to WF. I mean WF. Not sure what that means. What is that? Wide frequency. That's what it is. full, and full always worked. And in case you can't hear it, because it's a lot of bass and there's a lot of wind in here, I have a fan, it's so high in here. I'll go with a higher frequency. I just don't want to do it because the dog goes crazy, but here we go, look. As you can see, she's working. I'm going to shut it off before the dog starts barking. Yeah, she's ready to get buttoned up.
There are 3 kinds of bolts.